beautiful, I know what you need. My African queen, I take you to Malawi. This song is for you, straight from me. If they don't treat you right, you need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana. So today I have a hair review for I have in 30 inches of hair. Now I asked for 30 inches of hair because it was the winter time. I wanted really long 30-inch dark hair, you guys. I've been wearing this hair since my birthday. My birthday was December 28th, and I've been wearing it off and on since then. Today is, but I've been wearing it on and off, as I've been saying. I wore it for my birthday. I try to like put like a clip in from my birthday so you guys could see how it was then. I had like some waves and curls and stuff in it. Not nothing too much. I just put a little bit of curls and waves into it. But that kind of gets old. Like, who the F wants to be curling 30-inch hair? Nobody. So this is just my wig that I wear. That's just like, for if I want to wear a long straight 30-inch booty weave, then this is the wig that I'm putting on. Now I do want to talk about like how this hair has been holding up for like the 2.5 months or so. When I first got the hair, it was like really sleek and, you know, shiny and, you know, soft and everything like that. Now this hair is like coarse. Like I blow dried this hair, and for the first time, because I never blow dried this hair, I've always just let it air dry, but I blow dried this hair this time and it's like coarse. And I love when I get bundles like this that are coarse because it reminds me of raw hair. I also dyed this hair jet black, you guys, and I used the watercolor method or whatever you guys call it on YouTube. And I also did like a little tutorial of me doing that. So I guess I'll show you guys how I dyed this hair jet black. You guys, here is one of the 30-inch bundles. I just wanted to show you guys like the ends of it and how, you know, how much hair comes on the 30-inch bundles. It does appear to be like a little thin, but I don't know. I felt like it was enough hair, especially because I had 5 bundles, and you know, the longer the hair, the less hair you get. So here's the frontal. The frontal was really nice. I like how it, like the density of it. It's really thick. It's actually a really thick frontal. I ran my fingers through it when I first got it, and I like saw that it was tangling at the ends. I didn't really have any tangling at the ends of my frontal as I've been wearing the hair, and if I did, I felt like it was because of my lip gloss that I was wearing, because you know your hair gets stuck to your lips. So yeah, other than that, yeah, no. So here are all 5 of the bundles, you guys. I'm getting ready to do my watercolor method. I got my bucket from the Container Store. I'm using the Adore Black Velvet hair dye to dye my hair jet black. I've always used this hair dye to dye my hair jet black. I just feel like I just like the way that it looks and the luster that it gives my hair. So if you guys are loving the like luster of my hair in the video, I would definitely suggest you guys, you know, get this hair dye. And yeah, it's not one of those things that's like one of those silky dyes or anything like that. I'm not into like silky straight hair. So yeah, I know that might sound weird. I like my hair to look like coarse. So I like the luster that this black velvet gave off. So again, if you guys like it, then follow my tutorial or whatever. So moving right along, I put the first black velvet hair dye and I mixed it in. Here I am putting in the second one, and I'm putting the second one because I have 5 bundles, so I know that that hair dye was going to be like soaking up that hair. That hair was going to be soaking up the hair dye. So you know, I used 2 bottles and I mixed it in. And then that's pretty much all I'm doing. This water is extremely hot. I didn't have to do the boiling method first, because my water at my apartment is like extremely hot, you guys. Like, it burns. So I didn't have to go that extra step. My water was already hot. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and like put in all of my bundles. I had them rolled up. I don't know why I did this. Like, this is my first time doing this ever. I should have like made my wig first and then put the bundles in.
I like this.
I mean, you know, made my wig first and then put the wig in the water. I don't know why I did this first. I don't know. I think I was just being thirsty. But yeah, I put all 5 of the bundles in, and I'm just like letting the color dye soak into the bundles, and that's pretty much it. I definitely left the bundles in like longer. I just let them sit because I had needed to focus on that frontal because I was really scared, you guys. I thought that it was going to stain my lace. So anyways, here's my third bottle. I ended up putting a third bottle in there, and the only reason why I did that is because I had needed to dye my frontal. So I did my frontal separately. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and put this third bottle in before I put in my frontal. So in this next clip right here, I am going ahead and putting my frontal in. You can tell that I'm like a little hesitant and scared because I just don't want my lace, like, it's just like when you color your lace, it's like it's ruined at that point. So I was just a little hesitant, you guys, and that's what you're going to see throughout this clip. And eventually I just kind of just put it in there, but I didn't leave that hair dye, or I didn't leave the frontal in the water long at all because I was just too scared. But once I like think about it, because this was so long ago when I recorded this, I think that my frontal didn't dye, or didn't appear to be dyed, because I bleached it after. So that's probably why it does not look like it's dyed, the lace is dyed, because I bleached it after, which makes sense. So make sure you guys bleach your frontal after, because if you bleach it before and then dye it, that's just like, doesn't make sense. You just wasted your whole time. So make sure you dye your frontal first and then bleach it after, and then go about your business. And then yeah, so that's how I did the watercolor method. It's super easy, you guys. It just, I think that I haven't done like with any other colors, but I'm gonna have to try it out to see if other colors may stain your lace, because I don't know. I'm using black. I just think black gonna stain automatically. But yeah, here I'm just checking to see if, you know, the color took. Okay, so you guys see me dye my hair jet black. Now, I dyed that back December 27th, right before my birthday. I dyed that, made the wig, everything like that. I felt like, you know, it did good or whatever, whatnot, but I've been like washing it. So you guys, the second time that I dyed this hair jet black, which is super easy, super quick, using the watercolor method, I think that the color picked up way more because I used less water. Like, I really filled it up to where the whole wig can like just sit in there, and that was it. I didn't put a lot of water in there at all, and I put the color in there, and I think that's why the color picked up enough. I hope I'm making sense. Also, a con with this is it dyed my lace. Yes, my lace is dyed. It didn't do it too much, but I definitely see that black tint to it. I had to use foundation to cover that up or whatnot. But the first time that did not happen because I used a lot more water. The second time I used less water, but it tinted my lace. So I don't know, you guys. I would just say to just be careful. So yeah, you guys, if you guys were wondering like how I like, you know, laid my lace frontal or whatever, whatnot, I only use the Got to Be Blast and Freeze spray. You guys know that I use this in like all my videos, and also I use the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils, foam mousse to like lay down my baby hairs and flatten my part. I also use a hot comb at this top area here to lay it flat and stuff like that. Now, I haven't been wearing this hair in the side part or anything like that. I just needed something, a wig that I could wear all the time if I wanted some long booty weave. Like, everybody needs that wig that's like 30 inches. That's just, you need a 30-inch wig. Also, I want to let you guys know that I do not have any product in my hair at all. I never put products in my hair. I just don't like how it just leaves my hair feeling. So if you guys were wondering, again, I did not use any product in my hair. It looks like this due to the Black Velvet Adore hair dye that I use. So you guys, that's pretty much all I have to say. It's super quick, super easy. If you guys want some jet black hair, I definitely recommend the watercolor method. It's super easy, super quick. Just watch out for your lace so that you guys won't dye your lace like I did the second go round. But overall, I really like this hair. I feel like it's a go when it comes to long hair. Like this wig, I'm not selling this wig. I'm not. This hair is really good, you guys. And also when it comes to tangling and shedding, I don't receive shedding from this hair. And the tangling that I have got is because the hair is so long. So when I like say if I like flip the hair all over, there's still hair flipped in the back. So I have to like actually sit here and take my time and like bring all the hair over and make sure that I can like comb through the hair and stuff like that, because it will tangle up because the hair is so long. It's been doing me well. Like I'm gonna put like little inserts of me like wearing this hair throughout the months because it's really been holding up. This is like my go-to wig, y'all. Like this is a wig that I already got made. If I need to put a wig on really quick, this is the wig that I'm putting on. If I need to go to the club, this is the wig that I'm putting on. Going to the bar, drinks, anything like that, this is the wig that I'm putting on, because literally this is the wig that I've been putting on. This hair is really good. I can't wait to try out my other bundles that I got from Oneness Hair, because they did send over some curly hair as well. So make sure you guys be on the lookout for that. I'm excited about that. I'm sure that this hair will be great as well. But their Peruvian straight hair, you guys, bomb AF. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media at Raviana Simone, at Raviana on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.